I'm going to show you how to install the setup ink cartridges in your printer. Now the first step is to take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging, and we also have to remove the orange seal. Make sure you also remove the orange seal which is here. So just push it up and it will come out. Repeat the process for all 5 ink cartridges now. To install the ink cartridge, simply open the ink cartridge chamber door which is just above here. Now go to the ink cartridge chamber. So simply install the ink cartridges according to their color marking and the alphabets. Place the ink cartridge here, the front end, and then press it here. It will lock the ink cartridge. So repeat the process for all ink cartridges. And you will hear a lock sound every time you install an ink cartridge here. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door and go to the display panel. This way we can install the setup ink cartridges in your Canon PIXMA TS700 printer. Thanks for watching.